Did you know that a day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus? Yes, that's right. Due to its slow rotation and fast orbit, it takes Venus 243 Earth days to complete one rotation on its axis, but only 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. Peculiar, isn't it? Moving on from the peculiarities of Venus, let's delve into the world of insects. Believe it or not, for every human on Earth, there are about 1 billion insects. Yes, you heard it right, 1 billion. That's a lot of six-legged creatures crawling around, isn't it? Now, speaking of insects, here's a fact that might surprise you. Honey never spoils. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. Talk about a food that stands the test of time. But let's leave the world of insects behind and dive into the human body. Did you know that the human body contains enough iron to make a 3-inch nail? Yes, the iron in our blood, if extracted, could indeed be used to make a small nail. Now, that's not a DIY project one should try at home. From the human body, we move to the realm of technology. You might think that the internet is a vast and endless resource. However, the entire internet weighs about the same as 1 grain of sand. Hard to believe, isn't it? But it's true. The electrons that make up the data on the internet weigh almost nothing, leading to this astonishing fact. To wrap up, let's revisit some of the most surprising facts we've discovered today. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. For every human on Earth, there are about 1 billion insects. Honey never spoils, even after thousands of years. The human body contains enough iron to make a 3-inch nail, and the entire internet weighs about the same as a grain of sand. Isn't the world full of fascinating facts and figures? It's a constant reminder that there's always something new to learn, something surprising to discover. So keep your curiosity alive, and who knows what startling facts you might uncover next.